Welcome to PJ&D Jewelers. Here is our matching golden freshwater pearls. Of course, they're cultured. The bracelet is 7.5 inches with a sterling silver clasp, which does have a safety on it, so it won't just fall off. And you have a 24.5 inch matching necklace, golden freshwater pearls, cultured, of course, with sterling silver clasp. These are both done on plastic coated tiger's tail so that you will be able to shower with them, swim with them, all sorts of great stuff, and not worry about the silk breaking. And the drill holes are large enough where they're able to breathe, so no problem there either. So let me go ahead and show you these. Now the sterling silver clasp is made to close by pinching it. If it should happen to open, it will not fall off. It catches like here, as you see this, it's hooked in. So that's one of the reasons why I chose this clasp. It is sterling silver, it's not going to fade. Now the necklace is 63.5 grams and the bracelet is 18.9 grams. Now these pearls are between 10 and 11 millimeters and they're between 10 and 12 millimeters in length. They are matte set and they are individually tied off at the ends so that they will not fall off. And as you can see, this bracelet is a beautiful match to this necklace. This is a wonderful set that would be a beautiful gift or to treat yourself with. As you can see, these are absolutely high in luster. That's when you see the light shining. This is in my photo booth, so the light is diffused. And you can see that they're obviously real. They're not uniform like the fake ones are. A lot of care went into this. I did this for the person who's very active and yet wants to wear pearls and not be afraid of them breaking. Now remember, go ahead and go online and place your order. You can go to Amazon or eBay or Etsy. If these are gone and you'd like to get some like it, let me know, and when I go do my shopping at the shows and overseas, I will do my best to fulfill your order. Thank you, and have a great day. Now, as you can see, these are beautiful. Sometimes the white and the black tend to fade out the color, but as you can see, these are very, very intense.